Let's go with गोष्ट कायद्याची 41. Grounds of legal disability provided under Section 6 of Limitation Act are A. Minority B. Insanity C. Idiocy D. All of above 42. For the purpose of Limitation Act a suit is instituted A. In the ordinary case when the plaint is presented to the proper officer B. In the case of a proper when his application for leave to sue as a proper is made C. In the case of a claim against a company which is being wound up by the court when the claim first submitted in the claim to the official liquidator which of above are correct. A. Only A. Don't. Only A. And B. Teen. All these. 43. When the prescribed period for any suit, appeal or application expires on a day when the court is closed, the suit, appeal or application may be instituted preferred or media. On the day when the court is closed B. On the day before the court is closed DC. Within 10 days after the court reopens D. Within a reasonable time so which is, section parts of the Limitation Act does not apply to A. Suit B. Appeal C. Application D. All these panchacharis, where once the time has begun to run no subsequent disability or inability to institute a suit or make an application stages as under A. Section 9 B. Section 10 C. Section 11 D. Section 6. 46. And terms of Section 10 of the Limitation Act the court is required to consider the question of limitation A. When an objective on that point is made by the defendant B. Only if it not contended by the defendant C. If an issue is framed in that regard D. Su moto on its own 47. Section 6 of the Limitation Act. 1963 can be awaited by A. The plaintiff B. The defendant C. Both A and B D. None of these 48. The provision of Section 10 of the Limitation Act. 1963 are A. Mandatory B. Directory C. Optional D. Discretionary. 49. Ground for condonation of delay A. Poverty B. Sickness C. Illiteracy D. None of these 50. Where a person is affected by two legal disability followed by another without leaving the gap then suit or application may be filed A. Till the first disability ceases to exist B. Till the second disability ceases to exist C. After both disabilities have ceased D. None of the above.